My calf isn't even going to fit through this.
I'm sure it will.
No.
Just keep trying.
I think there's a weight limit.
Okay, take your leg out.
Ow.
Okay, wait. Take your leg out and just try and fit your butt in there with your leg. Oh my God.
It'll only fit inside anyway.
Just go wee. It's like a just like a little basket.
Oh.
You know when you could use something like that?
Some child is gonna sit in it.
It looked like a poop basket.